Hello my country people, welcome back to the news. No be small political drama they go on for Labour Party. No be small political drama we dey see for Labour Party. Now the Labour Party don't suspend Julius Abure, and that one no end for there. They still come pass a vote of confidence on Governor Alex Otti and Peter Obi. This is coming as the Abure-led faction of the Labour Party suspended Governor Alex Otti and Senator Erite Kingebe and 4 other persons for some alleged anti-party activities.
Nigerians to come and join, he alienates them. Instead of advancing our collective vision, he pursues narrow personal ambitions. Most painfully, he targets those who have brought credibility and national visibility to our party. His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi and Governor Alex Otti. They represent the aspirations of a new Nigeria. Governor Otti stands out today as one of the most effective and respected governors in the country. These men have sacrificed not for personal gain, but to give the Labour Party and Nigeria a real shot at transformation. What they demand is simple: a party that is transparent, democratic, and accountable. Instead of embracing this vision, Mr. Abure chooses confrontation and chaos. We say today, this must stop. For the sake of the Labour Party, for the sake of democracy, and for the sake of Nigeria's future. After a careful and comprehensive review of the Supreme Court judgment delivered on Friday, April 4th, 2025, the National Executive Council, NEC, is deeply concerned by the subsequent actions of Barrister Julius Abure, particularly his continued impersonation of the esteemed office of the National Chairman of the Labour Party. These actions have not only violated the spirit and letter of the law, but have also brought the image and integrity of our great party into disrepute. In the exercise of its constitutional mandate and in strict accordance with the disciplinary provisions of the Labour Party Constitution 2019 as amended, the NEC in session hereby announces the commencement of disciplinary actions against Mr. Abure. These actions have started with the constitution of a special investigative committee to review the actions of Mr. Abure as it affects the image and integrity of the party. In line with due process and the party constitution, NEC gives Mr. Abure 48 hours notice to show why disciplinary actions should not be taken against him for his numerous acts of gross misconduct against the party. The formal notice of disciplinary action will be sent to the last known address of Mr. Julius Abure. Mr. Abure is hereby warned to desist from parading himself as the national chairman of the Labour Party or impersonating the office in any form. The apex court of the land has clearly and finally nullified his claim to leadership, and his tenure has long expired by the passage of time. His continuing acts of reckless denigration of party leadership and open war against the party is unwarranted. Rather than drag the image of the party further into disrepute, Mr. Abure is advised to deploy his time and attention to addressing the numerous allegations of corruption, forgery, perjury, and criminal conspiracies pending against him. The NEC of the Labour Party has passed a resounding vote of confidence on His Excellency Mr. Peter Gregory Obi, national leader of the Labour Party and the 2023 presidential candidate. The leadership of the Nigerian Labour Congress under the President, Mr. Joe Ajero, and the Trade Union Congress, and all the members of the Labour Party caucus in the National Assembly, and various states houses of assembly. You continue to stand for truth, integrity, and the values that define the Labour Party. We appreciate your commitment to the mission of saving Nigeria through a Labour Party government come 2027 by the grace of God. Similarly, we extend a resounding vote of confidence on His Excellency, Dr. Alex Otti, for his exemplary leadership and unwavering loyalty to the vision of the Labour Party. It is important to make clear that Mr. Abure and his expired National Working Committee lack the legal or moral authority to even speak of taking any disciplinary action against Dr. Alex Otti, the governor of Abure State, or any member of the Labour Party for that matter. We therefore urge Dr. Alex Otti, and indeed all members of the Labour Party, to kindly disregard Mr. Abure's ignorance and orchestrated disillusionment. Accordingly, on behalf of the leadership of the members of the Labour Party globally, we tender an unreserved apology to both His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi and His Excellency Governor Otti for the uncouth and irresponsible remarks previously made by the suspended or removed by the former chairman, Barrister Abure. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no doubt that the recent Supreme Court decision has answered all questions and cleared all doubts about the leadership of the Labour Party. But for the avoidance of doubt and benefit of some well-meaning Nigerians who may still be deceived by Mr. Abure's endless media theatricals, may I chronicle the facts on the Labour Party leadership tussle that has now been laid to rest by the Supreme Court judgment of April 4th, 2025. On June 9th, 2023, Barrister Julius Abure was allowed to lead the Labour Party NWC for a transitional one-year period post-2023 elections based on mediation and reconciliation with a clear mandate to conduct congresses from ward to national level. March 2024, instead of following due process, Abure convened a national convention without the ward, local government, or state congresses, without INEC supervision, contrary to the provisions of Section 223 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended, the Labour Party Constitution, and INEC regulations and guidelines for political parties. June 8th, 2024, INEC formally communicated to Mr. Abure that his tenure had expired. You may even have remembered that INEC excluded Mr. Abure from National Party chairman meetings on 2 occasions, recognizing and emphasizing that his tenure had elapsed or had lapsed. During the 2024 Ondo governorship election, INEC rejected Labour Party agent list submitted under Abure. Abure then sued INEC to compel recognition, a legal battle he lost. The Federal High Court erroneously ruled in Abure's favor, prompting a misleading INEC portal entry, which you can check, or for those who had checked before would see. When the name Barrister Julius Abure is stated on the portal of the INEC portal, you will notice that in brackets, by court order is written there, while for other parties, for other political parties, election by election is written there. On September 4th, 2025, Labour Party stakeholders, including elected officials and statutory NEC members, met in Umuahia, Abia State, and constituted a 29-member National Caretaker Committee led by my humble self, Senator Nenadi Usman, as chairman, and Senator Darlington Wokocha as the secretary. The committee was mandated to manage the affairs of the party and conduct full congresses from ward to the National Convention. The Labour Party National Caretaker Committee, led by myself, applied then to join the suit. And after appealing the erroneous Federal High Court decision, the Court of Appeal upheld Abure's claim in November 2024.